This is an example of bacterial wilt on tomato plant. As you can see, the tomato is already wilting, and then the leaves are still very green. That's a good symptom. The leaf will be green, but the tomato plant will be wilting, as you can see. And also the stem will have started rotting from within. This thing has started happening like few days back, but you won't notice it from outside. So the stem will have started rotting from within. So when you see this kind of symptoms, you should know that you are already having bacterial wilt on your feed. And then also you can see I want to dissect the stem and show you what it means to have bacterial wilt. You can see the stem has started rotting. It has really rotting. That's a good example of bacterial wilt. If this thing is still very fresh, if you cut the stem and you put the stem inside a glass of water that contains crystal clean water, you will notice that there is a form of milky substances coming out of the stem. Is another indication of those, is another symptoms of bacterial wilt, and those white substances are the bacteria that are causing it. So when you see this kind of thing, the best thing you do is just to what? Uproot and dispose far away from your field, so that it won't be a medium by which the other plant will be affected. And another thing is that on this field, actually we've been trying to take care of it. We didn't sterilize the soil, but what we did at the initial stage is to use nematicide to control the nematode activities in the soil, to reduce it, because nematode activities often create a lesion, a kind of cut on the root through the activity by which bacteria will, because it's a soil-borne disease, but by which bacteria can enter through the system of the plant, the tissue of the plant. So we've used nematicide, but probably this one was skipped. That's the reason why it was not that very effective on it. Probably it was skipped because we've not seen that we have seen only 3 cases so far out of over 10,000 stands that we have, and I think we are still very much on the safe side. So I will show you another picture. This is another example of bacterial wilt infection on tomato plant. You can see that this tomato plant seemingly looks healthy, but it's not really healthy. Look at it. The stem has started rotting from within, while the plant is still very greenish. The leaves are still very greenish. The plant has already started rotting from within. So I will show you. I think we have 2 stands here. That's the reason why you can still see the other one and still looking very healthy. So I will show you just in a moment. So now here is it. So let me dissect the stem so that you can see. The stem looks healthy from outside, but from within it has really rotten. You can see it has rotten. It has been feasted upon by bacteria.